Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2016 Audi E-TRON. The Audi E-TRON is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the E-TRON will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.